Hey everybody, and welcome to this video. I'm just doing, this is my first video on this channel, and I'm doing an orientation of my fire alarm. So, right here you can see my 5-zone Mircom panel, and my Mircom 1000. Just above that I have a strobe, and moving along, I have, at this time, a pull station right here, and that's a Notifier BG1R. And moving outside of here, over here, I have a Wheelock MT, along with a CR135 heat detector, 1400A smoke detector, and if we move over here, another 1400A smoke detector, a pull station up here, we can't really see, but it's there, and if we move back down in the room, we can see that there is a Mircom MS701, another 1400A smoke detector, and a Mircom remote strobe. Alright, and moving along, I have yet another smoke detector, and 4 smoke detectors through that hole, which goes to my crawl space, and also that door right there. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Once again, here's my panels. Thanks for watching.